In today's video, I bring you a medium and long-term trading strategy that simply uses one of the most classic trading indicators, Keltner Channels. This strategy can be used on any type of financial asset on the 4-hour chart or higher. In my case, I'm going to be using it on the British pound dollar on the 4-hour chart. The first thing you will have to do is select the Keltner Channels Indicator. This is a classic indicator that measures price volatility. This indicator, we will put it with a period of 40. And we will change the color of the bands to white and the color of the central moving average to green. The strategy is really simple and effective, especially for beginners, since to make a buy trade, we must wait for the Keltner channel to break from the bottom up. In case it does, we will make the buy trade, we will put our stop loss below the green moving average and our take profit when the price closes below upper band, as long as we have a positive benefit. To make a sell trade, we will have to wait for the Keltner channel to break from the top down. In case it does, we will make the sell trade. We will put our stop loss above the green moving average and our take profit when the price closes above the lower band, as long as we have a positive benefit. This strategy has a fairly good success rate and a fairly good risk-benefit ratio. We can say then that it is a fairly balanced strategy and that it comes in handy for those who are beginners. One piece of advice I can give you is to wait for several candlesticks to appear instead of just one when the Keltner channels are broken, so that the breakout is confirmed and not a false breakout. Now, yes, once this has been explained, let's see some examples. And ready? I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.